So I'm at my old place, finishing up cleaning up everything. Got all the, well, most of my stuff off the wall. Been cleaning up the floors the best that I can, but I'm gonna need some help. I wanna make sure I give my mom a clean room, a clean foundation, so whatever she wants to do with my old room, she can. So what I'm gonna do is clean up the floors, man. And having two pets, they can cause a mess on the floor. Like you can see right here, this is a pet stain that happened probably like a year and a half ago. All the stains, I never, you know, had a carpet cleaner, never done anything to clean the carpet the best way I could. Pretty much stains everywhere. But we're going to fix that today with the Pet Complete Smartwash Hoover cleaning system. Yes, indeed. We're gonna see what this baby can do. We're gonna clean up these floors the best of our abilities using the Hoover Pet Complete Smartwash system. I can't wait. This should be fun. Oh man. Let's do it. So the setup of the Pet Complete Smartwash is actually pretty simple. You have three tanks. You have your water tank, your solution tank, and your pre-treat. So what the pre-treat does is you have a stain on the floor somewhere. You want to take the wand out. Pretty cool. Right here, spot chaser. Hit that release button, release it, and then wherever you see a spot that you want to fix over here, you just, that's it. So what you have right here is the water system and then the solution. The cool thing about this system is that it solutionizes it, yeah, that's a word, by itself. So you don't have to do anything, no mixing, it mixes it for you, and that's it. It's pretty simple. We also have this magic wand right here. This right here, in case you have like really stubborn stains, you could just put it down like that and then it just extract all the dirt that you want to. If you have stairs, this works really well for stairs. So these are the solutions that I'm using. Goes for the solution. This is the spot chaser solution. And then this is like carpet scent booster to boost up the scents. In case you want to have your room smelling delicioso or smellioso. Yep, that's another word. So next up, we have a stubborn stain, which is right there. The stain over there came out pretty damn nice. So now what we're gonna do is attach our hose, and we're gonna use our actual carpet extraction tool to extract all that dirt. That is crazy how clean my carpet is. Hoover, thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Look how clean the carpet is. All the stains I had in this area are gone. It might be super hard to tell on camera because of how dark my carpet is. So if I had a lighter carpet, you guys can easily pick up how much it cleaned. Like look at this. Look at all the dirt. This is all dirt everywhere. Dust, dirt, cat litter, just you name it. I had spilled juice, soda, beverage, any type of beverage on the floor. It's all in there right now. Man, this is incredible. So if you guys are moving out of your parents' place or moving into your own place and you have carpet and you want to make sure it's nice and neat. So if you have pets and you have any carpet extractions you want to do yourself, I highly, highly recommend the Smartwash Pet Complete Hoover system. This thing is amazing. If any of you guys are interested in this, I'll be sure to leave a link down in the description box below. And thank you again to Hoover for sponsoring today's video. Yo, what's up fam? Welcome back to the channel for today's video. I'm gonna get my home improvement on, baby. I'm gonna show you guys my garage. It's nothing special, but I'm going to be fixing drywall today. So if you don't know how to fix drywall, we might learn today. Today is gonna be all garage work stuff. So if you're not interested, watch it anyway. What you got better else to do, huh? You really think you think you got something better else to do? Wow, that's crazy. I thought we were brothers. That's crazy, son. But first, I have a bunch of orders in the back that is going to be shipped out to you guys. An update on the hoodies. Bro, lately my print shop has been on some bullshit. So bro, like they sent me hoodies. They came back for garbage. If you didn't get shipping confirmation for your hoodies, don't worry, they will be shipping soon. The reason why they haven't shipped is because the print shop that I use, that I've been using for like 2 years, recently just started. I don't know, it's been really crappy. I'm not happy. I bought the hoodies. They came in, but they came in with the wrong logo on it, and it's just not. It's not litty. You know what I mean? It's not litty. So I'm waiting on the hoodies to come in, and then from there I gotta either see what's going on with them or find a new print shop. I'm very sorry about the delay, man. This is not me at all. You guys know if y'all order from me, I ship out the next day or the same day, and y'all get y'all orders in 2 days, 3 days max, depending on where you live in the States. So I'm very sorry about that. This is looking really bad on my part. Like, oh, this gonna be doing shit all day at home. He can't even ship out orders. That's not the case, bro. Trust me. I live and breathe to make my people happy and get my name on their back. You hear me? It's a blessing to have people, pour into my business, So I hate that, it's not being reciprocated on my end to you guys. On my way to my mom's house now. I'm gonna check to see if my engine harness has arrived. Highly doubtful, to be honest. I don't think it shipped out, but I was told it did. But you know how that shit goes. So we'll see what's going on. And yeah, I'm also gonna use her mailbox to mail out the rest of these orders because, yes, leaving my mom's place, no engine harness. So, and I got this weekend to go to I Love Driving Slow, and I don't have a harness. So I don't know what's going on, but I am pissed. Okay, so this is the garage. I tried to do some DIY stuff. I don't know what the hell this is. It looks like a long ass booger, but it's adhesive. It's actually adhesive, I think. I just don't know what the hell it is. It's just disgusting. I'm pretty sure I messed all this shit up, but this wall is clapped, in my opinion. I think there's gonna be like a lot of I don't know, there's a lot going on with this wall that I feel like it'd be easier to just get it fixed. I wanted to learn how to do this stuff myself so I don't have to pay anybody, and I want to learn to do home improvement things because that's a nice skill trade to know, you know what I mean? Save yourself some money. But this is my garage. This is the bumper I picked up from Vince. This is my new Civic door for Akira. This is my new Civic door for the 8th gen. You see something right there. Hopefully that's just the ceiling. The texture of the ceiling is bad and not the whole ceiling itself. The door for this is right there. Yeah. This thing needs some work. I want to put lights up top. I want to go ahead and paint this stuff. I just want to get most of this stuff fixed though. Like this wall is actually pretty decent compared to that wall over there. All this stuff right here, I'm probably putting in the shed or throwing away. I don't know. This is like a base for something. I'm not sure. They got 2 pieces there. This is for hurricane shutters, but I'm just gonna toss this away and get actual proper shutters. I think that'll help. Maybe this will help, but I'd rather have them already installed on the house, and all we'd have to do is just like pull them down or something. But yeah, dog. Carmen, your wall has to go because this shit is trash. So yeah, want to get all this stuff situated and fixed out of here because I do not want this in the garage. This garage door itself, I feel like could be fixed and new. I mean, it's all right. It's okay, I guess. I don't know. I wanna. This is gonna be where I work out. You know what I mean? So I want all this shit like brand new or, something in good condition. I mean, this is okay. I guess I don't know. Got extra lumber up there, dog, and I have extra wood in me garage. Yeah, the garage door itself is alright. I need a new door because this actually dented pretty bad on the outside, and we're trying to make this be nice because when we sell it in a couple of years, we'll make some guap. You feel me? But yeah, I want to, add some outlets on the wall. I don't need an outlet there. That's kind of, I don't know, weird, I guess. But I want to have them on the wall. Paint the garage door a nice color. Get rid of this light. Actually throw a better, like, I'm going to do all lighting in here. But yeah, this is the garage, man. It's not that bad. Not too shabby. This is it. You see more light. It's bigger than my old garage, for sure. And I'm just happy that the washer and dryer is not in the garage because that sucks. I'd hate to have clothes in my workspace when I'm working on cars or something. But this is the garage. It's pretty nice. It's a one-car garage. I got to get the process of cleaning out this garage on the floor so I can go ahead and get this prep for paint and things of that nature. But I'm debating if I paint it now and do this later, will that ruin the floor? You know what I mean? I hope not, but at least getting the floor done would be very important to do. I don't want to move any things in here yet until I have that done. But yep. So yeah, that is my garage. Sorry for the lighting, terrible because this lens f-stop goes to a 4.5. I'm shooting on actually the kit lens today, the 18 to 55. And yeah, man. I got a lot of work to do in this thing. A lot of work to do in the garage. But that's it, man. This is my home. Okay, so that is today's vlog. I am sad. I don't have my engine harness, and a lot of people are probably like, damn, Zosh, you're really tripping over this engine harness. It ain't like you paid for it. I did pay for it years ago, but I paid for it. My whole thing about the whole engine harness debacle thing is, it's like, I was told it was gonna be 3 days turnaround time. Or not deliberately told, but it was like, I get it, fix it, ship it back out. Same day or next day. He actually said next day. So it's supposed to be a 1 day turnaround time, and it's been 3+ weeks on what I thought was gonna be an easy, just fix a ground wire, check over my harness, everything's good, cool. And now it's 3+ weeks. I have a event this weekend. I'm still in the process of moving, as you guys see. And my mom wants to have the car out so she can actually keep cleaning up and I can clean up the garage. I'm just over this shit, man. It's frustrations, dog. That's like, damn, like, I'm one of the ones that's gonna ride with you. Pause. Like, I'm one to, like, I don't know. I just don't see why people want to, like, do me wrong. You feel me? Be real and upfront with me. Like, I don't see what's the big deal about it, dog. Like, it ain't like, it doesn't cost nothing to be a real, genuine person these days. And just be honest and straight up and straightforward and not have to lie. And you feel, like, I don't know, bro. So, I don't know what's going on. I might end up having, I don't know, bro. I'm sad. I want to drop my Integra. I have fresh E just sitting in the tank. Shout out to the homie Danny for filling me up at the PBIR event. My man. And yeah, so we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated the best I can. But as far as today's video, failure. And now I'm paying someone to come assemble this IKEA dresser because I'm not doing it. I'll take the L and pay the cost. I'm not doing it, bro. It's ridiculous. If you look up the IKEA Malm, MALM, I'm not doing it, son. Nope. But that is a wrap for today's video. Tomorrow, I don't know what's going to be in store. I know I'm going to a St. John concert the 8th, which is in 2 days. So I don't think there'll be I don't know. But, girl, I got paid a bag for the ad that was listed in this video. So that's going to be Christmas gifts for everyone. So thank you to Hoover for sponsoring this video. But that's it for this one, man. If you enjoyed this video, which I probably highly doubt, but if you did, leave a like on the video. If you didn't enjoy this video, which I also understand, leave a dislike. You can't see the damn thing, so you might as well hit the like button. Fuck it. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I am out. And I love y'all. Never forget it. I'm out. Peace.